Dear students, today we shall be learning Chapter 5 Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Topics to be dealt in this chapter are Mendel's law of inheritance, inheritance of one gene, inheritance of two genes, sex determination, mutations and genetic disorders. So, have you ever wondered why a dog give birth to only a puppy, or an elephant give birth to only a baby elephant and not any other animal? Why is it so? Are these two animals identical to each other? If we take example of plants, a mango seed give rise to only mango plant. Jackfruit plant will bear only jackfruits. If we consider any flowering plant, rose plant will bear only rose flowers and none other flowers. Why is it so? Is there any mechanism to show these peculiar features? If we consider human beings, have you ever wondered that how we are similar to our parents, to our brother as well as sister? How is it so? This picture shows an example. Father, mother and a child. If you see in this particular picture, the child has the hair color, ear lobes, eye structure similar to his father, whereas the child has eyebrow and the nose structure similar to mother. That means we come to know by this picture that the characteristics are inherited from the father and mother. But there is one particular feature, that is the skin color doesn't resemble any of the parent. Why is it so? Now, if we take this particular example that some of the characteristics are similar to our parents, it is only because of sexual reproduction. You all have already learned about this particular topic, wherein we all had learned that the male gamete and female gamete unite together to form zygote, and this zygote will develop to the offspring. Now, offspring have both the chromosomes of mother as well as father. That means there are the characteristics of mother as well as father which we inherit in us. So, what do chromosomes have? Chromosomes have DNA. DNA has genes, and genes impart certain characteristics. So, these are the genes which show the characteristics in us which we have inherited from our parents or which we have got from our parents. In this picture we see the daughter, the hair color which she has got is exactly similar to her mother. But what about the boy? The boy's hair color doesn't resemble any of the parent. Why is it so? If we consider that we get the characteristics from our parents, then how come there are certain characteristics which doesn't resemble to any of the parent? From where these characteristics have come? Are they have come from the ancestors or our grandparents? So what is the mechanism wherein the ancestral characteristics also we impart and we show those particular characteristics which are not there in our parents? All these several related questions are dealt with scientifically in the branch of biology known as genetics. So what is genetics? In Greek, the term genesis is given for this particular topic. The meaning of genesis is passing on. That means which is passed, or the characteristics that are passed from generation to generation or descents. This word was coined by William Bateson in 1905. It says it is the branch of biology that deals with the study of heredity and variation. So what is inheritance? It is the passing on biological inheritance. Biological inheritance are the one, that is, which we get the characteristics from our parents. And we also inherit some assets, debts, titles or rights from one generation to other. So inheritance can be considered not only the characteristics but also the other things which we get from our ancestors or from our parents. Whereas heredity, when we consider, it is the inheritance or transmission of characters from one generation to the next. That means heredity deals with only the characteristics which are imparted from our parents to us or from our ancestor to us. So it is an inherent mechanism which is present within the cells and which is imparted from our ancestors. Whereas inheritance, if we consider, it is not only the characteristics which we impart but also the other things which we get from our ancestors. So what is variation? It is the degree of differences exist among the offsprings or progeny of the same parents. That means how we are dissimilar, or what are the variation which we see amongst us, amongst the siblings, from that of parents. So it is the degree of differences which exist amongst the offsprings or progeny of the same parents, or also among the individual of same species. That means you can see here one more picture which shows a particular family. So if we consider here also, there is the degree of variation which exists amongst the progeny or offspring of the same parents. But when we consider these both peaks, it shows that there is the variation amongst the species too. So up till now we have learned the study of heredity and variation, which is called as genetics. So in this particular chapter we shall be learning the principles or laws or rules which were put forth in order to know about the genetics or inheritance and variation. So up till now we have learned genetics, what is genetics, what is inheritance, what is heredity and variation in brief. So other videos we shall be going to learn in detail about these topics.